Hi YouTubers, my name is Janelle and this is going to be my new YouTube channel. Yay! Yeah, because Janelle needs to get up off her ass and do some shit. Yeah, so I know I'm a cliche, but it's a new year, so fuck it. I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel forever. I have just lacked the courage and lacked the motivation, but fuck it, it's 2017 and I know I sound like an oxymoron, but I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna do these YouTube videos, and hey, maybe some of you will be motivated by me. Maybe some of you will laugh at what I have to say. And maybe some of you guys can relate. I don't know. But nevertheless, I am going to do this. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it hard. So what is my YouTube channel going to be about? That's like the biggest question that I have in my own mind. And all I can think of is several thousand different ideas. And then I thought to myself, why do I just have to do one? I don't have to just do one thing. I can do whatever the fuck I want because guess what? It's my channel. And I'm telling myself this because I'm a psychopath in case you haven't noticed yet. But no, seriously. So I decided that I'm going to just make this hey, this is Janelle's YouTube channel and it's all going to be about Janelle and Janelle's life. And that's that. So you're going to see me doing gym videos. You're going to see me painting some shit. Because I love watercolor painting. I suck at it, but I love to watercolor paint. You're going to see me trying to learn how to crochet because I got a crochet kit for Christmas and I would like to learn how to do it. You're going to see me messing around with my kitties because I got 2 cats. I got a Gandalf, which is right there in the back. And then I also have a Zelda, which I don't know where that bitch is. Let's see, what else? Just lots of rant videos. As if you can't tell by now, I have the mouth of a sailor and I cuss a lot. So if that offends you, please click away. Like, nobody has time for your sensitivity. I was raised when, you know, everybody had a fucking backbone and not everybody got offended by every tiny little thing you said. But, however, I'm also a Sagittarius. So, I'm an adventurer and I'm also a very blunt, honest bitch, basically. We are the bitch signs, for sure. But we're also the life of the party, so don't get it twisted. We just don't like bullshit. If you're too loud and you're acting obnoxious, like, I don't have time for you. So, anyways, lots and lots of material, really. Like, my whole life is a damn drama story, truthfully. And I'm sure that as soon as it gets out that I'm making a YouTube channel with a whole bunch of videos, I swear to God I'm going to have at least like 50 haters. At least. Because that's the internet. And half of them will probably be personal people that I've once had an acquaintance with, if I can talk today. So yeah, I mean, realistically, I just think that this is going to help motivate me to stay focused on the things that I need to do to accomplish my goals. And we're going to do it. I want to learn things and you guys need somebody funny to watch. And I think I'm sometimes hilarious, I'm not going to lie. So, little mini rant right now. I'm on Facebook and I'm on this BBW plus I swip swap thing in my city. And this chick was like, oh, it's free hot cash because I've already spent so much hot cash and I have so much left over. If anybody wants to come and pick it up, it's free. And I'm like, OMG, really free? Oh my gosh, how long is the hot cash good for? And she's like, oh, well, since so many people are interested, I guess I'll charge $5 for each one. I'm like, or not. You can actually just do some online shopping. Just go to Yahoo Answers and you can get the codes in the answers in the Yahoo. So I don't know if I was allowed to say that on YouTube, but oops. But yeah, like basically I'm always like trying to stick it to the man type of thing. I have so many different stories that I could tell you guys about that, but we'll save all that for another video. But yeah, it's just like, why does somebody always have to, like, why can't you just help one another out? I don't know. Anyways, like, you wanted to come up, well, guess what? I just told all of your customers that they can get it for free. So go fuck yourselves. Yeah. No, and it's fucked up because I totally was looking at her pictures and whatever. I'm a girl psycho stalker person. Like, y'all do it, don't lie. I was looking at her photos and I was like, oh, she's super cute. Like, I want to be friends with her, you know? And so I was like, well, fuck it. I'll go meet up with her and go pick up the hot cash and maybe we'll fucking set up a lunch date or something. Not like that. Like, no homo. Okay? I'm married. So, yeah, no homo. But, you know, as a friend, because, you know, people are awesome and I want to get to know people. So, but not this person. Fuck that. You want to try to come up on me? Oh, no. Bye. So, yeah, anyways, I think that's it. I mean, I just wanted to make an introduction video about what I'm going to be starting, and then I'm just going to start little videos. And we'll see where it goes from there. I've already taken up 5 minutes of your time. Don't want to take up any more. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos of my crazy ass self. And yeah, so it's gonna be fun. Peace.